Most producers don't realize how powerful this new feature in Ableton Live 12.3 actually is. Ableton can now split any song into 4 separate stems: vocals, drums, bass, and everything else. And it happens right inside your session with no extra plugins and no internet required. All you do is right-click any audio clip, choose separate stems, and Ableton instantly creates new tracks for each layer while leaving the original muted. Want cleaner remixes? Isolated vocals for a mashup? Or maybe just studying how your favorite bass line works? This tool makes it simple and fast. If you want even better quality, you can enable high quality mode by adding the line feature.stemSeparation.highQuality equals true to your Options.txt file, which improves separation on more complex mixes. What used to take expensive third-party software or cloud services is now built straight into Live Suite, and it's fast enough to keep up with your workflow. So whether you're remixing, sampling, or just learning, stem separation is now one click away. Want to master this and other hidden features in Ableton Live? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you the link to our free Ableton Live tools and resources.